Hi, welcome back to our tutorials. My name is Ashley Honeycutt. I'm the Director of Health Coaching Operations here at YourCoach Health, as well as a board-certified health and wellness coach. Today we're going to be focusing on our to-do calendar, or our tasks as they're commonly called as well. We're going to be focusing on the web-based version of our platform. We do also have a mobile version, and we're also going to assume for the purpose of this tutorial that you've already gone through the process of setting up both your practice and your programs. Let's dive right in. We're going to start here on the Your Space tab, which is right here with the home button. We can navigate to the to-do calendar a couple of different ways. One way is over here on the left-hand side in our menu. You'll see the little calendar graphic right here. Right next to it, when I expand it, it'll say to-do. I can click on that. It's going to open up our to-do calendar. Here I would see any to-dos that I've already set for my clients and my programs. So for instance, we'll see right here for today, you'll see the line for meditation. That's a to-do that has already been set. And I can see when I hover my mouse over it, the client it's for, the program it's attached to, and the time that that to-do is set to remind. So a couple of things to note when we're looking at tasks and to-dos. These are different than goals. Goals are going to be something that are going to be client logged. There are something that are going to be SMART goals, that they're going to be really client driven. These tasks might be something that you want to prompt your client to remind them to do. It could be something they need a little bit more accountability for. It could be new materials that become available that you want the app to prompt them for. These are definitely going to be more action oriented because the app is actually going to give them a reminder or a notification up at the top here with a little notification bell. And you can set what time you would like that reminder for. So a little bit different of a purpose. And then when we want to set those, we can come up here to add event. Click on that. I can add task. I can put a title in. So let's say I want to, my client has said they want a journal and they would like the reminder form. So I'm going to put journal right here. For program, I can select which program I want this attached to. So I select the client I would like it to be attached with. Confirm that. I can then select the frequency that I want this reminder. It can either be just a one-time reminder, something that happens daily, weekly, or even monthly. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and set it to be a daily prompt. I can choose what day I want this to start, so it doesn't necessarily have to be today. I can choose any day. I'll go ahead and set it to start for tomorrow. And then the end date here, we can flex and move this around. Right now it's till the end of the program. I can also toggle this switch over here and set a specific date that I want it to go through. So let's say it's just gonna be a 3-day journal activity. So I can set it to end on Saturday. I can then choose the time that I want it to be for. So let's go ahead and say it's gonna be an early morning journal. So we'll set this for 7 o'clock a.m. I can add materials here. So maybe I want to link it to a PDF that has journal prompts. I can upload that right here so that when it pops up with that notification for the client, they have those materials attached right next to it. It's very convenient. I can also add any notes in here. So maybe I want to put the actual journal prompts in the notes, or I want to leave a motivational message for the client, or there's other information that might be helpful here. Maybe I want to put their why for why they want to journal. I can include that in the notes. And then I can save it. And it's going to populate both on my to-do calendar and on the client's to-do calendar. We'll also see this pop up here that the task was created and saved for the client, but not the main program. So remember, anything that's saved to your main program is going to apply to any and all clients that come into that program. So it's asking me if I want to add this task to the main program. In this case, I only want this to be for the one client and not for every client that comes into that program. So I'm going to go ahead here and say, no, I do not want to add it to the main program. I can also come in here. I can see those tasks here. I can click on them, and this will give me a little bit more information on them. Again, I can see the date, the time, the program it's for, the client, that the task is in progress, the status is pending. I will be able to see when the client checks it off and completes it. And then easily I can come right here. I can send a message, and this will take me directly to my one-on-one chat with the client. I can also edit this task or delete the task from here. Super easy. Tasks are also viewable in a couple of different formats on our to-do calendar. So I can view them either from a monthly view, which is like this. I can even go to the weekly view, which you'll see gives me a little bit more information, or I can go to the daily view. Again, you'll see I have the three dots over here, and I can edit and delete tasks directly from there as well. You have full autonomy to use this to-do calendar in whatever way makes the most sense for you and your clients. That's the beauty of it. It's completely customizable. Should you have any other questions or we can help in any other way, please feel free to reach out to our support team directly within the platform by utilizing the blue headphones right here in the upper right-hand corner. Have a wonderful day.